Welcome to home cooking. It's easy. Everyone can cook. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make egg in avocado. It's the perfect breakfast. It's simple, fast and delicious. Let's get started. Cut avocado in half and remove the seed. Cut lengthwise into 2 slices. Hollow out middles with a paring knife. On over medium-low heat. Add butter. When butter is melted, place avocado slices. Crack an egg into the center of the hole. Season with salt and pepper. Cover and cook until egg is cooked. But if you like running egg, just cook for 5 minutes. Sprinkle 4 cheese or cheddar cheese or any kind of cheese that you like. Cover with lid again. Cook until the cheese is melted. Add spring onion. Remove to a plate. Garnish with bacon and green onions.